All right, welcome to this Explainer Scotland Women's 3x3 squad. So today we are taking a massive step forward. We're going to take your workshop briefing and basically transform it into an actionable daily playbook for elite performance. Because look, this isn't just about reviewing concepts, right? It's about cementing those exact daily habits that are absolutely going to elevate your game on the world stage. Think of this unbreakable triangle as your absolute foundation. In 3x3, the margin for error is, well, it's razor thin. Every single player on the court completely relies on the unshakable foundation of their teammates. You're completely interconnected out there. Your physical prep, it doesn't just affect you, it directly impacts the player right next to you. Like your playbook boldly states, this is about our journey to create history. But, true history on the court isn't just made during those wild final seconds of a tight game. No way. It requires an absolute, uncompromising commitment to how you prepare, how you recover, and how you fuel your body off the court. The magic really happens in the shadows, long before those lights ever come on.
Okay, so here's our tactical game plan for today. We are breaking down 4 main pillars. First up, body armor. Then, sleep to win. After that, precision fueling. And finally, we'll wrap the whole thing up with your daily protocol. Let's get into it.
All right, moving to play number 1, building body armor. We're going to see exactly how building up your physical chassis is just the absolute prerequisite if you want to withstand those fierce, high-contact battles of 3x3. Now, your kinetic chain maps out exactly how your body operates as a machine. It's really fascinating. Your trunk is the core foundation, transferring force efficiently and keeping you totally balanced in the chair. Then you've got your shoulders and scapula. These provide that crucial durability you need for heavy contact, supporting your shooting mechanics and your rebounding. And right at the very top, your neck. It essentially acts as the apex shock absorber for the whole system. So the absolutely crucial point here is that your neck isn't just some isolated muscle you can afford to ignore. Actually, it's the critical mechanical link between your head and your torso. The cervical musculature literally transmits forces. It stabilizes your skull during those sudden jarring changes in direction, and it coordinates movement across your entire kinetic chain. It's a game changer. Now, take a look at this massive number 5. This is the 5% rule, and honestly, it's the ultimate performance hack for your safety. Get this. Research shows that for every single pound of increase in your neck strength, your odds of suffering a concussion decrease by exactly 5%. Seriously, building effective mass in your neck protects your brain by literally absorbing and dampening the energy from those big collisions. So, how do we build that strength safely? We use isometric holds. Basically, holding muscle tension without actually moving. But you absolutely have to follow these precise steps. First, start with gentle load pressure. Just use your hand to resist movement, and gradually build that pressure over a 2-week progression period. Second, control the duration. We're talking 10 seconds in your first couple of weeks, eventually building up to 20 seconds. And third, always maintain a tall, neutral spine. Oh, and self-correction here. Make sure you never, ever train through pain. If it hurts, stop. All right, transitioning to our second pillar. We need to completely reframe how you look at rest. We're calling this play, sleep to win. Because listen, sleep isn't just a break from your day, it is active, incredibly essential performance enhancement. Look at these stunning numbers from professional basketball data. The contrast is just massive. On one hand, late-night scrolling actively penalizes your game. It drops your shooting percentage by 1.7%, spikes your turnovers, and actually drops a player's court time from roughly 25 minutes down to under 23. But on the flip side, if you just extend your sleep to 8.5 hours, you skyrocket your three-point percentage by 9.2%. You boost free throws by 9%, and you speed up your reaction time by up to 16%. That is a colossal advantage.
Because champions don't just train hard, right? They recover hard. And to guarantee those massive performance gains we just talked about, you have to strictly engineer your recovery environment using 4 non-negotiable sleep hygiene rules. Keep it cool, keep it dark, keep it quiet, and respect the fluid rule.
To literally turn your bedroom into a recovery chamber, you've got to take control of the environment. Dropping the room temp, that promotes way deeper sleep. Pitch black darkness signals your brain to completely power down. Zero auditory stimulation gets rid of sneaky distractions. And limiting fluids right before bed, that prevents those annoying middle-of-the-night wake-ups. These aren't just little tips, guys. These are tactical game day decisions that keep you off the bench. Because remember, short sleep compromises your immunity, which means more colds and guaranteed bench time. Nobody wants that.
Building on that recovery, let's transition right into the engine room, play number 3, precision fueling. Because as the playbook clearly states, food is fuel, recovery is refueling, and you simply cannot outtrain poor nutrition. It's just a fact.
Your fuel absolutely must adapt to your training load. It's kind of like dialing in a sports car. Notice how an easy day plate prioritizes a heavy ratio of vegetables. We're talking about half the plate here, with only a quarter for carbohydrates. That's perfect for weight management. But look at the hard day competition plate. It dynamically shifts to double those carbohydrates, taking up a full half plate. That is exactly what your body demands to fuel those explosive, high-intensity efforts out there on the court. Okay, the climax, the daily armor protocol. We've got the science of the kinetic chain, the hard data behind sleep, and the mechanics of fueling. So how do we actually turn all this cutting-edge sports science into real championship habits? Well, this is your ultimate daily armor protocol matrix. It's your everyday checklist to build a body that can truly withstand the battle. It ensures your neck is conditioned with those safe isometric holds we talked about. It guarantees your shoulders are fully stabilized with scapular activation and rotator cuff prep. And it locks in your trunk with anti-rotation work and core stability. You do this consistently, day in and day out. You build an unbreakable chassis, plain and simple.
As we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with a really critical locker room question, something for you to reflect on and share with your teammates. Based on everything we've just covered today, from neck isometrics to engineering your sleep cave to adapting your plate, what exact change are you going to make to your daily protocol right now to help this squad create history? The playbook is officially in your hands. Now, go make it happen.